Okay guys, just got back from the store, picked up the tube, got this crescent wrench. Now we're going to go by my grandfather's place. And we're gonna pick up, well, we're gonna grab the front tire off the bike, then we're gonna come back here and fill it up. So, yep, here's the tube I got, 30% thicker. So, let's go. Okay guys, so welcome back. Just got back in the Saturn. Picked up 2 new tires. I kind of skipped over a lot of footage because I found out this tire is Pisciato.
After my father told me.
Right here's the bulge. Right there. So. And the tube was punctured as well in that spot, so. Yeah, this looks like a pretty good tire from Walmart. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. I did go with white walls, so. Nice.
Okay,
I'm gonna go pop that one off and pop that one back on. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna install this new thing. Got it on the wheel. So, alright. Go wheel it up here and then install it. Alright. Booyah. Got a back one for it too. That looks cool. Alright. See y'all soon.